Jesu Mthombo Wobungcwele
Ngiyabingelela ababukeli bonke emakhaya lo okhulumayo umvangeli uPTA Ndlozi kule album yethu ke okungiyesithathu njengamanje siyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi uye wasinikeza icebo lokuthi akungami oyedwa ozohlabelela njoba abalaleli bazi ukuthi yimina kuphela ohlabelelayo ebandleni loMthombo Wokuphila Ministries kodwa kulokhu uNkulunkulu ungipha amandla developer new leaders, about 6 of them, including nama females, ukuthi emsebenzini kaNkulunkulu siyanikezelana sonke siyalingana, and we need to develop each other. Umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu ngoba kusasa uma ngingasekho wazi ukuthi yimi nje kusho ukuthi ibandla loMthombo Wokuphila liyobe seliyakhubazeka noma lohamba liqhuka endleleni ngenxa ukuthi behlabelela yini. Babukeli lapha emakhaya ke kule album ningabuka kakhulu isihloko sealbum Jesu Mthombo Wobungcwele limnandi kakhulu li original. It's a composition ehlukile kunamanye ama composition akaba khona uphinde uyobuka utrack number 7 ubuke utrack number 8 uye kutrack number 11 and then uma usiyobuka kutrack number 12 lapho sesikhumbuza abalaleli ukuthi thina siyibandla lakithi eZayoni asiphumile kubeni iZayoni umculo wethu uphelelisiwe nje konke ngicabanga ukuthi ngalayo mazwi nje abalaleli bethu bayawuthokozela umculo wethu kuyoba kuhle kakhulu konke ngiyabonga.
Welcome to Haggett's on Hilldrop and to the Coaches Stables. We're welcoming the church to use the venue, and we've sponsored as a community project. This is actually a wedding venue and chapel for people, and next door we have the lodge which can accommodate up to 80 people. So guys, if you're interested in having your weddings and accommodation, we can accommodate you guys here. The old house was the house of Sir Rider Haggett. He lived here in 1881. He was the author of King Solomon's Mines, and a lot of history is attached to the old house, and we would like to welcome you to our premises. Thank you very
Mthombo Yesolake